So now we've got a system where we can manage our fertility loss from our landscape because we're managing our water, we're capturing our fertility, we're growing lots of plants, and we're transferring that back to the top. Now, if you look at, well, how does that make sense with how this landscape built? Well, let's think about it. So we've got a landmass sitting in the middle of an ocean. Any fertility that moved from the land to the ocean got transferred from the ocean back to the land, either by placing, washing up from the ocean, or birds catching fish, going back up to the top of the hill, pooping, fertility returned back onto the land again. That's been going on for eons. As soon as we got here, we removed that process. Because one of the things we did was decided in our logic to remove trees from the high ground. As soon as we removed the trees from the high ground, we stopped the birds flying from the bottom to the top. There you go. Broken system. So if we understand that's how it works, then how do we put that back onto a landscape? It doesn't mean that we have to have hills. It doesn't mean anything. It just means that a high point is where the fertility goes. You know that from that high point, the fertility will move to the bottom where we want to capture it so we can return it back up to the top. You've now got a system that requires no inputs. This is a system that works